wanna sara sara. The beat is tarantana. It go make you manya manya. Ines is in manya manya.
Hello, it's Susan Eve. Welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm gonna make Tamia. I have Java beans and I have chickpea. I soaked it yesterday, so it's now ready to blend. I have flour here and my spices: salt, pepper, cumin, turmeric powder, and chili powder. And I have baking powder, and I have here garlic, onion, and dill. So let's start. I'm gonna add my spices. Little bit of flour to combine it. This is it after blending it. See, nice and smooth. It has some texture or texture. And this is the time you will taste the salt, adjust your spices. If you know you want extra spices, just add more salt, and you will start frying.